day when the sun says goodnight and the moon hums a soft silver light. We'll splash in the bath, warm bubbles so bright, then snuggle up close. Oh, what a sweet sight. It's time for bed, little star, little star. Twinkle so cozy, right where you are. Pick your favorite book, turn page after page, then drift into dreams in your nest, soft as sage. Pajamas on, now we're ready to read. One more story, just the one that you need. The words dance like fireflies, gentle and slow, till your eyelids go flutter and off we will go. It's time for bed, little star, little star. Twinkle so cozy, right where you are. The bath in a book, that's the magical way. A kiss to say goodbye to the day. Sweet dreams till the day.